Proud to share with you today a product we've been developing. It's Glow, the first smart headphones that glow with laser light. Music inherently is a very expressive medium, and having light synchronized with music makes that whole experience much better. And I think that's where Glow really stands out. It's a pair of headphones, but it's also something that builds up that musical expression through the form of light. The first time we saw Fibrance fiber optic wire was really incredible. That Fibrance is just super vibrant. It looks like something I've never seen before, like something magical. And that's where we thought the idea of a headphone, because that's a sort of a natural connection of a glowing wire with a pair of headphones and have the wire glow to the music.
We've provided 5 buttons with Glow to intuitively control your music, but we can also use it to control your phone, like being able to read and reply to text messages without even taking it out of your pocket. It wasn't enough that we built an expressive pair of headphones. We wanted the sound quality to be amazing. So we chose an in-ear design using Knowles dual-balanced armature drivers, the same premium drivers found in the best headphones on the market today.
Over the last few months, we've been building a fully working prototype, and we're there. But now we need your help to take Glow from a prototype to final manufacturing, to be able to bring this to market. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. We're super excited about this technology, these headphones, and we hope you're as excited as we are.
The device has 2 modes, passive and active. The passive voice muffling mode is provided by the insulator, which is embedded inside the mask, as well as by the ergonomic embouchures, which, on the one hand, prevent your voice from spreading beyond the mask, and from the other hand, keep the external noise from getting into the microphone. So the person on the other end will hear you clearly, but the people nearby will not be able to understand a single word which you've pronounced while wearing the mask. The active voice masking mode is provided by the electronics, which is located in the headband. The button pressing activates the external speakers, which are located on the perimeter of the mask. These speakers will generate sound. While using the mask in the active mode, the resulting sound will, in any case, be lower than the sound from your voice itself without a mask, so you will not cause any inconvenience to others.
On behalf of the entire Hashmi team, I would like to thank you all for following us and supporting our project.
Hashmi, keep talking.
And we are FluxMob. Thanks for checking out Bolt Squared, the newest member of the Bolt family.
Since our first project, we've gained a tremendous amount of experience. Because of your support, it was a huge success. And just like before, we're working very closely with our manufacturer to make sure that we deliver on time once again.
Now the prototypes and certifications are completely finished. All that's left is to secure the funding so that we can greenlight our factory and begin production. Let's make Bolt Squared happen, and thank you for your support.
One.